It's motherfucking power hour, bitches. God, I have had a morning, boys. I have had an actual morning. You know, people ask me, like, Patrick, what do you do all day? I'm over here running the fucking world, all right? It might look like I'm just some idiot on the internet, but I got shit going on. I got things happening, people to talk to, things to do. And, well, we are back live for Power fucking Hour, baby. It's Thirsty Thursday. It's time to make some money. We're already up. I don't even, honestly, like, I look at the P&L sometimes and I just wonder. I'm like, man, what am I even going to do with all this money? I got too much money. Most of my life now is just basically I just spent most of my life just trying to figure out what am I going to do with all this fucking money. I can't even figure it out. It's a problem that I have, a serious problem. All right, right now, pulling up the NASDAQ, you can see here just kind of chopping around. I'm actually, this is the Lux Algo indicator that we have pulled up on the chart right now, and I'm actually going back and forth right now with Lux Algo because I want to get this dialed in. I want to make this better, right? I'm trying to get it better. How do I get this indicator better? I think there's a lot of value. It's just kind of figuring out how can I make it better, right? What can I do to make this indicator better? Look at this break up here, this little break to the, we had a little like trend line break there, but then the trend line got very tight. And look at that short. If you'd have taken that short there, oh my lord, what time is that? 12:30. I was sleeping. Look at that break to the downside from the 31s down there to the 19,880s. How can we capitalize off of these moves? What can we do right now? Kind of just chopping around right here below the VWAP. We got the pivot point and the fucking VWAP sitting right there. We're inside the opening range, obviously the 15-minute opening range right now. So getting very tight here on the 15-minute chart, hitting that 21 EMA, hitting the VWAP. I mean, I feel like in theory, you can kind of see what we're looking at right now. We got a lot of kind of resistance to the upside there. So I got to get this indicator figured out. We got to work on it a little better, make it a little better. It's free, by the way. Lux Algo, market flow, trend lines, and liquidity on TradingView. If you want to check it out, let me know. Give me some feedback, and I'll work on trying to make it a little better for you guys. What can we do? How can we make it better? Give me that $500,000, ICT, you piece of shit. Where is my money at? I want the money. If you guys can help me out, go on Twitter and go in the comments and tag ICT. We need him. Tell him to pay Patrick Wieland. Pay Patrick the money. Where is my money? $500,000. We want more Lambos. Someone the other day or yesterday started arguing with me on Twitter about how my life is meaningless because all I care about is money. Bro, clearly they don't live in the real world because last time I checked, that's all that matters, baby. If you ain't got no money, you ain't got what you got. What you got? You got nothing. Nah, I'm just kidding. I do enjoy life besides the money, but it is much funner to be rich than to be poor. I've been poor. Trust me, I have been poor, and it is not what I want to ever be again. So I will gladly. I'll gladly be labeled as someone who only cares about money because I know what it's like to have no money, you know? Leaving me. What you guys got? What we got here? What we got? Are you on coke? Yeah, bro, I'm on fucking coke. I'm on coke. Coke. Yeah. Dude, it's fucking 8:30 in the morning here in Hawaii, you little fuck. I'm on a double shot of espresso right now. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Think you know you will. I won't tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Think you know you will. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Think you know you will. You stay on my mind. Don't all the traders do tons of blow? Dude, yeah, everyone just got fucking bags of blow. This, it says super gummies, but it's actually super blow. Let's taste some. Oh, good. Ah, good. We got new flavors as well. Creatine, baby. It makes you smarter. It makes you bigger. It makes you better.
Check this out.
Patrick, what is Only Prop Firms? Well, Dustin, Only Prop Firms is a place where you can find the best deals. Fuck, you got me. Got me, Dustin. If you want super gummies, I think they're on their website, right? Super gummies. No, what's their fucking website? Zord, what a terrible marketing guy. Doesn't even have a website. Oh, it's supergummies.co. I gotta get a referral link for this shit. Becoming an affiliate. If you buy them, tell them I sent you. They're expensive, by the way. They're not for poor people. Rich people only. Are you going to add any Forex firms to Only Prop Firms? No. The only firms on Only Prop Firms are firms that I've used before. I've never traded Forex, so we're not going to be doing anything to do with Forex. Am I looking for upside or am I looking for downside? I think right now, well, it looks pretty choppy, but I think we stay below the VWAP here. We could get this move down here. Just being patient. You know? Yeah, I'm actually talking to Tradeify right now. We're gonna see what's going on with Tradeify. There's all kinds of new prop firms popping up, man. It's a good time to be a trader. I remember when I first started trading, there was very limited options for places to trade and all that stuff. So the fact that there are so many different options, it really comes down. It really does benefit the trader. Because the traders now have more power. Because when you've got a lot of competition, guess what happens? People have to actually do good jobs. They have to do deals and all that fun stuff. So we're keeping the pressure on them, boys. We're keeping the pressure on them. I'm really looking forward to a point where we get out of this just sideways market. Monday, or what was that? Tuesday, absolutely insane market, but then we're just right back to this kind of sideways market. This is basically Tuesday until now, just kind of in this range here, going nowhere. So we got stuck at the high there from Wednesday and Tuesday, kind of that resistance there at the 80s. We pushed all the way up there almost to that pivot point there on the 15-minute chart, but got stuck. So I mean, right now it looks like you would take a short here and just keep your stop below, above the VWAP. Probably a pretty good play. Definitely looking weaker. Losing that 50 support now. I want to see if we get through these wicks here on the bottom of these two 15-minute candles. So then we got that pivot point down there, 866s, that low from earlier, 79. So how many more days on the island? I'm gonna be on the island for like another 2 weeks. Still just chopping here. Ooh. Holding that trend line there. We need to break out of this. Break. Maybe get a trap to the upside, see what happens. But right now, 1 minute chart, you can see just kind of popping right back up there. You funky, dirty, knocking, you funky. That funky, dirty, you funky. You know, no. Whoa! Very tight price action going into the power hour, baby. We got time. We got nowhere to be, nothing to do, at least for the next hour. We got to stay alive. Stay alive, baby. Dirty do 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 do. Do 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 do. Bow 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 bow. You funky. Welcome to day trading, baby. It's a lot of sitting around doing nothing, to be honest. A lot of people will get caught up in these types of moments. This is the moment a lot of people get caught up in. They get caught up in this right here. Do I exit limit stop order at the breakout? No. I think all of ICT's followers should start a GoFundMe so they can pay me the $500,000 that he owes me. I think that would be only fair, right? Let's start a GoFundMe. Everybody donate. Everybody donate to the GoFundMe so they can pay for ICT's debt. You know, I think it's fair. It's only fair, people. All right, NASDAQ tried to move down here. Got stuck there at the 60s once again. Down here to the 46s. 25s to the downside there. Come on, market. Do something. Daddy wants a new Lamborghini. Help me pay for the new Lambo. I want to get a Murcielago. Nah. Aventador V12. Or maybe a new McLaren. I'm not sure yet, you know. Which one is it? 2 Lambos, 2 McLarens. Which one's better? 1 McLaren, 2 Lambos. Get rid of the Lambo, buy more McLarens. Ferrari SF90. Guys, nothing against, you know, hybrid cars, but I don't want it. I got nothing to do with that. Once you've driven a V10 fucking Lamborghini, there ain't nothing that compares. There's no woman on this planet. Here we go. Breaking to the downside now. Let's go, boys. Big Mike, I love your channel, but you never freaking read my message. Bro, Big Mike, there's so many messages, man. I can't read every message. I apologize. I'll try to work on it. Anytime, Big Mike, if you become a member of the channel, I might see your messages more. All right, NASDAQ moving down here. Will we break out of this sideways momentum here? Are y'all in shorts? Well, I like to, whenever I'm trading, I like to be in the shorts, baby. Shorts for days. It's good to wear shorts when you're trading. Definitely put them on. Big Mike, I love you. Thank you. Hey, no problem, man. I love you too. Consider a V12 Ferrari. I don't know. The problem is now that I don't know if I can buy a Ferrari because Rips has a Ferrari. And Rips is a fucking loser. So like I don't, you know, like loser, like, nah, I don't want to, nah, I'm good. I don't want to be a part of that. Oh, NASDAQ. All right, it is officially power hour. The next goal is a Bugatti. It's probably not a Bugatti, honestly. Probably not a Bugatti. Probably gonna be a bigger boat. I want a bigger boat. Rips was talking about my car. Well, yeah, no shit, because my car is way cooler than his car. I would take a P1, maybe a Senna would be nice. McLaren would be sick. Cars suck, waste of time, and are dumb, and so are boats. Gabriel, are you a fucking loser? Gabriel just sits in his bedroom all day jerking off. Gabriel's just laying in bed right now jerking off, thinking about how everyone's a loser with a car and a boat. Oh, Gabriel. While watching ICT videos. Guys, cars and boats are so stupid. I like to just lay in my bed and jerk off all day. It's way more fun. Oh, fuck. Nothing wrong with sitting in bed jerking off. Well, I guess, you know. NASDAQ breaking through this trend line. I mean, you would think this would make a move down. Laying on your boat while having your Lambo jerking off does sound a lot more fun. That does sound much more fun. Gabriel jerked off in my car. Now we know. Now we know the truth. I wondered what that white stuff was. I wondered. Oh, God. Let's take a little nap. Take a little nap, guys. Don't worry. The market's going nowhere fast. Patrick, buy an island. Big Mike with the lock your car doors. Gabe is gonna sneak into your cars and jerk off when you're sleeping. Watch out. Watch out, man. Patrick, buy oil. Yeah. Let me hold on. I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now and buy some oil. BRB, boys. Load up on oil. Sounds good. Hey Patrick, how is your girlfriend? Rips. I know you can never come and leave without boosting of your girlfriend. I'm confused. Sometimes the comments, I just don't even understand the comments. Confusing comments in the chat sometimes. It's very confusing. You don't even know what the fuck they're talking about. What? I'm confused. What if my face actually was like, what if I was like, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, God. Get your money ready to pay ICT. Wait, what? Why would I pay ICT? Why would I pay ICT? I'm confused. Why the fuck would I pay him? He's gonna pay me. Craig, will you relax, bro? If you just bought an Apex account, give it a little bit of time. All right, relax. It's been an hour. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to activate. Honestly, I'm not even trying to I'm not even trolling you. I'm just telling you that it takes a little bit of time sometimes. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. My trend line is off. Sorry, my trend line is right now. ICT is gonna blow. Venom Impact. Patrick, I have respect for you in ICT. You're both profitable. Venom, I don't wanna like hurt your feelings, but I think the fact that ICT lost $9,000 in his $10,000 account, that makes him not profitable. I'm not 100% sure how that works, but I'm pretty sure that if you lose $9,000 in a $10,000 account, that makes you unprofitable. All right, NASDAQ, let's do this shit. Make a move. Power hour, baby. Right now, we are looking at these shorts to the downside, getting this move down here. Will the market continue? You keep moving the trend line and it keeps breaking down. I mean, I was right there. It's moving. It's going down. Relax. It's not going up. If you would have gotten short at any point from here to here, you would be in the money right now. Patrick, can you get an actual delivery of a futures contract? Yeah, let me get right on that. Power hour and 1 hour after liquidity sweep. Sir, it's already power hour. Patrick, what do you think about the SMTs between the NASDAQ and the ES? I mean, I definitely consider it. This morning, the ES was holding on at the lows while the NASDAQ was sitting up at the highs. We had that big move up on the ES here. You can see it. This is at the open right here, 950 this morning. So kind of a funny setup here. Right, the ES kind of just pulling back, and then ripped straight up. And that was right when the NASDAQ also made that high. So you had this setup, right, where the NASDAQ is sitting up here at the top of this range. You had the ES at the bottom of the range. Once the ES started to make that move up, that's when that NASDAQ had the follow through to go up there as well. So definitely keep an eye out. You sell a course. ICT teaches for free. ICT is the best trader ever. There you go. I guess. I don't know. You win. The problem is you can say ICT is free, but the problem is all of the hours and all of the time and all of the effort that you have to spend watching all of his videos and dealing with all of his bullshit for hours and hours and hours, like, that to me is not worth it. It's not worth it. Even though it's free, it's not worth it, you know? Like, do I really want to spend all that time? Oh, God. NASDAQ making the move down here. Our trend line breaking. Trend line break. Like I said earlier, I'm working on getting this Lux Algo indicator figured out just a little bit better. It gets a little noisy, right? It gets a little noisy at times, but you can see we did have another break of a trend line. We had this kind of choppy. When the market's chopping around, it's definitely not the best indicator to be using, just because when it's chopping, you obviously have multiple line breaks. But as you can see, kind of on the 5-minute chart now, getting that trend line break to the downside here. I would like to just kind of get more acceleration out of this level right now. It's just, we just really haven't gotten away. Got to get away from it. Yeah, the 21 EMA is the blue line. Look at the VWAP right now. The VWAP is actually flat. Like, the VWAP is just flat. Well, actually flat. It's not a good sign. That is not good for anybody. I speak Spanish. Como? Patrick, did you do that? Did you know that if you took down a Boeing plane and you go short on Boeing, you'd be rich? That's simple, huh? That's simple. So on this new indicator, things that I really think are important. It gets too noisy right now, but I want the 15-minute range, right? So we have the 15-minute range. That indicator automatically identifies it. We got these trend line breaks. We got the 21. We got to clean it up a little bit. I'm working right now with the developers at Lux Algo to make it better. So any feedback that you got, let me know. The ES just bounced off a pivot point. That 5,730 area is a pivot point on the ES now. Patrick, you are my exit liquidity. Well, good thing I trade through sim-funded accounts, so my liquidity is anywhere near your liquidity, you fucking retard. You fucking retard. The playlist that I normally play, it's normally Cream, KREAM. It'll be like Liquid Lab sometimes. They have multiple out there. It's in the chat there if you want to check it out. But that's normally what I'm streaming in the background. You're amazed that Apex has not put me into a live account. I think that's because I don't think they put anyone into a live account yet. I know they sent that email out. Most people are still on probation. We're gonna delete Nick243 because he's clearly 13 years old. Anybody that says that they make more in one trade than someone makes in their 9 to 5 is clearly 13. Is it running out of sellers? It's just not really moving at all. There's just no volume right now. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow morning. NFP tomorrow morning, baby. Ooh. Should I wake up early before NFP to go hard in the paint? NFP. How much you make today? I don't know, $40,000. Patrick, when are the t-shirts coming out? We already got t-shirts. We already got t-shirts, baby. Which one do you want? We got gaps love to get filled. We got all the good. ICT is not your complicated. He's not that complicated. Guys, if ICT was so good, if it was like, think about it, if the concepts were so good, why is it that the guy who created it can't even make money? You know? If he can't even make money trading it, imagine. He created it and he still can't trade. Will you guys, these people in the chat, everybody, it's done. We're done. It's over. Just give up. Just give it up, people. Relax. NASDAQ should try to hold. We want to basically stay below this 35 area and then try to continue lower here. Would you admit that you're overweight? Yes, I'm overweight. I'm fat. I'm 6'1", 210 pounds. Oh my God. I'm overweight. I should probably go kill myself. If I'm overweight, then an ICT is a fucking, he is morbidly obese. Adios. NASDAQ holding on here. Look how tight this thing's getting right now. Oh my lord. NASDAQ just chopping around here. Welcome to Power Hour, baby. We're live. Power Hour, basically, that's just the last hour of the day. A little push back up there, 21 EMA again. A resistance there. NASDAQ right back up here through the 21 EMA again. Chopping around, Barry. Market's going absolutely nowhere. So, not much to do. Have I traded with Take Profit Trader? Yes, I have. Been great. NASDAQ up there to the 21 EMA once again. Just got denied there, pulled back. Bears are trying to get this down. Oh, it's going hard right now. It's too hard. Kind of hard too. NASDAQ just chopping. I love. Where are all the bulls at? They said it was going up. Come on, do something. Get out of this fucking range. Got that low of day down there at the 881s. Can we get there? We got a pivot point down there as well. 860, 880, 870 area. NASDAQ can't pop up. Somebody tell me what to do. All right, we still got 30 minutes here, 30 minutes until the end of day. Will we get some more action? Right now, NASDAQ just going nowhere. Need to stay below this 30 level. Dump it down. Dump it down, Junior. Everything. Looking for this break through the 20s next if we can get it. Let's see. Still holding up there. Again, back up there to the 21 EMA. These power hours are terrible. Absolutely terrible. Straight back up now. Waiting for something good to happen. Everybody in the chat freaking out. Just shut the fuck up and just sit back. There's nothing happening. What do you want to do? Trade a 5-point move? God. Patrick, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Just relax, people. Just fucking relax. God, every 5 minutes. Patrick, what now? What now? What do we do now? Patrick. Just shut the fuck up and just watch nothing happen. What do you want from me? This fucking people in the chat, dude. It's nuts. I don't know what to tell you. It's going up. It's going down. It's going sideways. Like, what the fuck do you want? What do you want? Literally. I just don't get it. I don't like, what do you want from me? Patrick, oh my God, it's going back up now. What? Okay, it's going back up now. God. Five-minute chart right now on the NASDAQ. Stuck there at the 21 EMA. We've been stuck there since fucking 3 o'clock. It ain't pretty looking no matter which way you look at it. Got the VWAP up there at the 71s. NASDAQ trying to push, but I mean, really, it's going nowhere, but we'll see what happens. This is a 15-minute chart right now. Going into the power hour, 9:40. Well, 3:40 here. We got about a little more than 20 minutes. A little more than 20 minutes until the close. Just waiting to see if something crazy happens. If something crazy happens, trying to get above this 50 area now. Got that VWAP up there. Maybe. Jordan, use my code for Take Profit Trader. That's right. Use the code PW for the best deals always. PW gets you the best deals. Oh my God. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? Tell me closer. Are you? How deep is your love? NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Got a little W down here. W right to the VWAP. All right, got 20 minutes left here. That 950 algorithm should be fun. 350 algorithm coming up for the power algorithm. It's a power algo. That's right. We got power and we got an algo coming up. 350, baby. Kai said that he blew 40 Apex accounts. Those are novice numbers, chump change numbers, boy. Those numbers, you gotta bump those numbers up. You gotta bump those numbers up, man. That just ain't enough. Patrick, are you joking about the algo? Yes, I'm serious actually. Every day at 350, you have the MOC, the market order on close algorithm that takes over, basically creating liquidity there end of day. So it is a real thing. It has nothing to do with ICT. It has to do with real. How many accounts have I blown? I don't know, thousands now. I don't know, like I lost count, bro. Thousands. Thousands. Why is ICT so successful? I don't know. He's really good at telling lies. All right, market just stuck here at the 40, 50s. Getting ready. Got a little trap to the downside there on the ES looking like. Quick little dip down, right back up again. Why do ICT concepts work? Guys, it's not fucking rocket science, man. You buy low, sell high. Like, I don't know why people don't understand this. It doesn't matter what concept, what idea you use. Basically, all you're doing is buying at a fucking lower level and selling at a higher level. So call it whatever you want. Say that you have the secret, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, it don't fucking matter because it's only one fucking way to do it. And you buy low, sell high. It's not rocket science. Does ICT sell courses? He used to sell a mentorship, but he stopped doing it because he figured out that he made more money off of YouTube. And NASDAQ chopping back down here for the 1,000th time. Yeah, literally, it don't fail. The NASDAQ don't fail, man. Just been sitting here for an hour watching the market go absolutely sideways. I gotta, no more power hours. I'm done with these power hours. It has like, it's total fucking waste of time. Honestly, it's just, what the fuck's the point? It's just a total waste of time. Well, I mean, we got 14 minutes left, so. Power hours worked a few weeks ago. You're right. You're not wrong. Fuck this market. Do something. You got 4 minutes till the 350 algorithm kicks in. Why not tame your risk? Go for a smaller percentage daily gains. I'm not trying to be here for a long time. I'm trying to be here for a good time, you know? Trying to make as much money as I can make this next few years, and then I'm going to disappear forever. No one's ever going to see me ever again. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to go live in the fucking ether somewhere, man. In the ether. It's going to live in the ether. It's got to sell 200,000 courses. If you want to buy the course right now, it's $199. Help me get to my dream of selling 200,000. That's what ICT said. He came back. Yeah, but ICT is a fucking loser. I'm a winner. I'm in Hawaii. Where is he at? I'm going to Vietnam. I'm gonna go hang out with Dung Du. Me and Dung Du are gonna make millions. Start the Dung Du hedge fund. Dung Du hedge fund coming up. Why do you need money from the course? Because I fucking why do people always like, Patrick, if you're so rich, why do you sell the course? It's $200. It's $200, guys. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, it's free, basically. It's free. It's $200. It's free. I'm trying to get rich, you know? So why charge? Because I want to make more money. I'm not rich enough. Guys, I am not rich enough. I want to get richer. All right? I want to be as rich as possible. So I'm trying to sell a $200 course. Yes, I think it's worth it. I spend time working on it. I spend time. So why should I not get paid? Yes, I want to make more money. Yes, am I rich? Yes. Am I already a millionaire? Yes. Do I have $500,000 in the bank? Yes. Do I want to have $5 million in the bank? Yes. Welcome to fucking America, right? Where you fucking make money, you make more money. That's what it's about. Just because you get rich don't mean you got to stop being rich. We're here to make money. Right now, the NASDAQ, push it up to the 60s. VWAP up there next 75s. God. Every fucking idiot. Patrick, why do you sell a course if you're already rich? Because I want to be richer. I want to be fucking real rich. I want to get so fucking rich that I don't even know what to do. Here we go. 20 seconds until the 350 algorithm. I mean, it's just like, it's fucking mind-blowing. It's fucking mind-blowing. It's not like I don't have a chat room. I don't have a mentorship. I don't do some bullshit, you know, like, hey, $20, it's $2,000 to learn from Patrick how to trade for the next 6 years of your life. You know, like, I'm just trying to make more money. That's all I'm trying to do. That's all I want to do here is just make more money. And people like think I'm a bad person for it. I'm doing exactly what people dreamed of doing. Up there to that pivot point, up there to the VWAP. Let's go, baby. It ain't over till it's over. Till the fat lady sings. Dung Do in the chat. The man, the myth, the legend. Right up there to the VWAP now. Ooh, buddy. Dung do. Dung 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 do. That I want ya. You're a snake oil salesman. Yes. If you buy my course, you'll become a millionaire instantly. The snake oil is real. Just buy it. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, both pushed up there to the VWAP here before close on the 350 algorithm pop. How many courses have you sold so far? About 2,000. 2,000. Got about 198,000 more to sell. Who wants to buy one? $200. Get in right now. It's never going to be cheaper. It might be more expensive. You never know. Inflation. Think about it. Inflation. If you buy the course right now for $200 and inflation happens, you're actually investing $200. You know, think about that. Like if you spend $200 on the course today, it's almost like investing $200 because in 10 years from now, that $200 is going to be worth $2 million. See? No one really thought about that. It's an investment for the future. Inflation. Beat inflation with Patrick Wieland's course. NASDAQ trying to hold on here, right there at the VWAP. Who would have thought? Push up there to the VWAP just to get denied once again. Is Jimmy Wieland your cousin? Yes. How'd you know? Don't tell anybody, though. And right back there to the 50s. The NASDAQ just really wanted to make sure that we close right here at the fucking 950s. You know, they're like, hey, let's close right here, boys. 950s, perfect spot, right in the middle of this chop. Let's make sure everybody gets fucked, both long and short. Let's make sure nobody makes any money here in the power hour. Let's just close it right at the fucking in the middle of it all. God. What a scam. This shit's a scam. Big down day tomorrow. You think? Who's thinking down day tomorrow? Down day, up day. Who knows? Dung Du's got 8 out of 8, 100%. He can't lose. He can't lose. you think you died. Beat you right. NASDAQ back up there to the VWAP once again, baby. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Is it going to pop? Is it going to pop? Woo! I know you're not involved, but what do you think about culture and intelligence? I think they're both important. What the fuck? Patrick, what do you think about intelligence? Well, you know, I try not to use it because I'm too smart already, but yeah, no, it's important. It's important to have intelligence, you know? It's like you want to make sure you have that intelligence. Very important. Very important, my friends. NASDAQ stuck there at the pivot point once again. These pivot points love to get touched, my friends. Love it. We got less than 5 minutes here till the close. Wiki Wick, little, what do they call that? Chopsticks? Tweezers? Little tweezer set up there. We got a tweezer set up here. I think that's only when they're like right next to each other, right? Isn't that what they say, the tweezer? When there's two like candles with wicks right next to each other. Jenner B, onlypropfirms.com, baby. We got the shop. You get the t-shirt. Join the team. What's a tweezer mean? I don't know. I think they use them sometime to pop the shorts. If Patrick learns ICT, he'll be the best trader ever. Wow, yeah. I'm going to learn it. I'm going to learn exactly how to buy low and sell high every time. Every time. Imagine if ICT learned to actually trade. That'd be good. Last 2 minutes above this pivot. Rippers. Are we going to push it back up there for a flat day back to the 20,010s? Oh, God. What the fuck? Buyers just coming in. Buyers. Less than 2 minutes till market closes. This music's going hard right now. Hard for Power Hour. Ah! There she goes. Right up there to fill the gap now. Oh, man. We had more action in the last 10 minutes than we did in this whole entire hour. Dung Do Algo. There it is. It's over. It's over. 15 seconds. No power hour tomorrow, Jimmy. No power hour. Oh, God. Where did I meet Dung Du? I'm not sure. Dung Du he just showed up in my chat, man. He just showed up one day. He just keeps showing up every day. I don't know why. Would you ever bring a guest? I would, yeah. We had Tanya Trades on here. Tanya Trades on the stream one time. There it is. Market's closed. There it is. Market's closed. All right, well, you know what? You know what tomorrow is? You know what tomorrow is? Y'all know what tomorrow is. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Bob Barker said the market closed at 5 p.m. Yeah, Bob. Don't stop, can't stop, won't stop. All right, so on the day, we're finishing up here. We got a little, we got $1,500 across 20 accounts in fast track trading. And then we've got, the Apex accounts here as well. So Apex accounts up 1,500. Looking real good. Total right now up almost $7,000 in each of those accounts. And then pulling up the Motive Wave. I hate this platform, by the way. I really do. So I have Motive Wave is what I'm using for fast track trading. You can see the 20 accounts there. These two accounts, I don't know why, but they got doubled up for some reason. So it worked out perfectly. It got more money, but the rest of the accounts, you got the 1,400, 1,400, 1,400. So not a bad day. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. How are you able to stay consistent with such big gains? Well, like my consistency, my profit target, you know, $1,000, $2,000 a day. It's kind of like that's my low. You know what I mean? Like I pretty much, my goal is to make close to $2,000 a day. So I stay consistent with trading that style and try to aim for that $2,000 a day. So what's the ideal lot size for a 50K account? I trade 3 contracts in the PA in the Apex accounts. Sometimes I'll trade maybe 2 contracts, but 1 to 2, 1 to 3, not bad. What happened to the Top Step leaderboard? I blew up. I took that $18,000 payout, and then the accounts only had like $6,000, and last week was not pretty. So we're back to square one, building it up again with those accounts. It's really difficult for me. It is very difficult because of the scaling rule. So Top Step has the scaling rule that you have to you can only trade 3 contracts when you first get into the funded account. And it fucks with me, man. It definitely fucks with me because it's like, I don't know, it's just hard to trade 2 contracts for me, for 3 contracts total. But I guess I kind of do it as well. I don't know. With fast track trading, do you feel comfortable having the $7,500 end of day drawdown? It is nice, but you got to be careful though, because it can fuck you as well. You don't want to get overly confident, just because you have $7,000 end of day drawdown doesn't mean that you can just hold on to losers and fuck around. I definitely, when I first started like kind of trading through Fast Track, it was like, oh, this is nice. I have a huge drawdown, but it's hard. I think I was down like 4,000 the other day, and then I was able to get back to green. So I have not gotten any payout. I've not gotten paid out with Fast Track yet, so working on that. But yeah, man, it's just a battle. Trying, it's also difficult, obviously, because I try to make more money. I want to make more money. I'm making, when you got $500,000 sitting in the bank, it's hard to be excited about making $200. I know that sounds funny, but it is. It's like, it's very difficult. So there it is. Another day, another dollar. The NASDAQ right back up there to where we closed at yesterday. So it's all relative. Fast Track trading, I've been using the built-in trade copier for Motive Wave. It seems to work, but just don't really like the charts and just the whole UI is bad. Like I said before, no reason for me to trade in a live funded account, because if I'm going to trade a live market, why not just trade, my own capital, which I've done that. When I get back from Hawaii, when I get back to Florida, I'm going to open up another live broker. We had the live broker with Tradeovate. I closed that out because I was tired of the commissions and the bullshit with them. And I'm going to switch over to Optimus Futures once I get back to Florida. I got 2 more weeks. So how do you trade so many different accounts? Different windows. Basically, just have every different broker has different windows open, especially like Tradeovate. I got Top Step, Apex, Fast Track, Take Profit Trader, and all that. So what will be your initial capital for the live account? Probably like 50,000. I like Quant Tower, but you can't use Quant Tower on a Mac. So that's why I don't have Quant Tower on this Mac. But either way, yeah. We're working, we're trying, we're getting it. The market, to be honest, it's been a tricky market. We've been up here like at the all-time highs. It hasn't been very, very clean. Maybe you want to argue against that, but it's been been that time of year. September, October kind of goes into this area where we're like flirting with all-time highs. We haven't really broken out, and it's just kind of get these types of days. Like, look, what was that? Monday, obviously Tuesday was that big, massive move to the downside, but then the rest of the day on Tuesday was pretty bad. And then, Wednesday, kind of just all over the place, and we're moving. The market's moving, but it's not going anywhere. So that's what makes it hard. I mean, today, perfect example. We made money today. We definitely fucking made money, but tomorrow, Fresh Cash Friday, NFP, non-farm payroll, should be a lot of numbers, should be a lot of fun. And, yeah. There it is. Good times, bad times. We're here for all of it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We'll be back tomorrow live right here for Fresh Cash Friday. Where am I from? I'm from Florida, born and raised in Florida. So I'll see you all later on. Big thank you. And like I said, right now, if you want to learn more, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this course is going to make you rich, but I'm very, very confident that this course is going to help you avoid doing stupid shit. It's $200. It's literally the price of a evaluation. It's the price of a fucking reset. So ask yourself, is it worth it to keep losing? Is it worth it to invest and learn? I think at a certain point, you got to be serious. If you're serious about trading, you want to learn, it's a good place to start. So, like I said, $199, sign up today. If you bought it in the chat, let people know, is it worth it? $200. So, there it is. It should be $399. Nah, $199. It's worth it. All right. Big thank you again for tuning in. I wish it would have been more fun. I wish the Power Hour could have gave us more power, but we did get that last 15 minutes of action, a little bit of action there to make some money, and there it is. So, big thank you guys for supporting the stream and tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow morning. So, why don't you trade after hours? Because you can't trade all day every day. You really can't. You gotta, at a certain point, you gotta know when to walk away. You know. So you can't, if all you're doing is just trying to trade every minute of every day, you're gonna get burnt out. I've tried it. I've done it. It's really bad. It's bad. So there it is. I'll talk to you all tomorrow morning. There.